Anthony G13 reporting. One person is in the water after a car collision. Coast Guard is on scene right there. It's under the bridge, the Coast Guard. Up, and here comes the Coast Guard boat. Coast Guard boat is responding here. Rescue boats are searching right now for the person who is in the water after a vehicle collision. It's unclear how the person got into the water, but there was reports of vehicle collision and then an individual in the water after the vehicle collision. You can see rescue boats coming both directions, searching. San Mateo County Sheriff rescue boat right there. And there also is a Coast Guard boat searching, as well as a Coast Guard helicopter. Another Coast Guard or rescue boat of some sort. They're looking for the individual who was in the water after this incident. Two engines right there.